This is just a short tutorial of the first lesson that I shared with you in the Google Classroom. And this goes along with the PowerPoint from the National Weather Service, or the intro to the National Weather Service. What I want you to do with this lesson is go to weather.gov, and this site right here will pop up, and you'll see all these different colors on the homepage website. This is the National Weather Service website. In the National Weather Service, one of the jobs of the National Weather Service is to issue watches, warnings, advisories for the entire United States. So the lesson is to click on any of these colors and learn and tell me what these colors mean on the map. So if we go up here to these blues and purples, and we'll just click on this area up here. Once you click on an area, that will bring up the National Weather Service for that region. This area up here is the National Weather Service for Duluth, Minnesota. And as you can see, these colors now have names to them. So the dark purple is for a freeze warning, and the lighter blue is for a frost advisory. They also issue hazardous weather outlooks. And if you click on that, it'll tell you what the hazardous weather outlook is for. So the lesson is to choose any color on the map. You can do more than one because you're going to be learning about the different colors and what they mean throughout this course this semester. But then to click on the name, and it will tell you exactly what it's for. So here is the freeze warning. And what I want you to look for is the what, the where, the when, and the impacts. Okay, so you click on the freeze warning, it tells you what it is. Freeze warning is for sub-freezing temperatures as low as 30 degrees. The where, the counties in Wisconsin, the counties in Minnesota, and the different areas, tribal lands, lakes, etc. The when, and this is important because a lot of times the National Weather Service will issue watches or warnings, and the general public doesn't know when those watches and warnings start and end. They think once the watch is issued, automatically a snowstorm should be occurring or a thunderstorm should be occurring. So this tells you exactly when the freeze warning is for, from midnight tonight to 8 a.m. on Thursday. And then the impacts. Frost and freeze conditions will kill crops, other sensitive vegetation, and possibly damage unprotected outdoor plumbing. Now, if we go back and click on another one, we'll go over to Colorado. Actually, let's go over to Northern California. So the National Weather Service out of Sacramento, and this is for a red flag warning. If you click on red flag warning, it'll tell you exactly what it means. Critical fire weather conditions through this afternoon due to gusty wind and low humidity. Okay, a more specific explanation of the red flag warning, the affected areas, the wind, humidity, the impacts. So for your lesson, what you'll do is click on, again, any of these colors. Don't be afraid to click on a couple of them to learn about what they mean. Let's go a little bit closer to home. And then your lesson would be to type up what these different hazards, warnings, watches mean, or even copy and paste into your Google Classroom and learn a little bit about the different watches, warnings, and advisories that are issued through the National Weather Service.